Okay. So if you see that,
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
mhm.
Sir, yeah, in the JSON body, we have from booking dates. What do we call that one, sir? It's a different. We kept in
See,
the curly
everything,
brace.
so this is the another JSON object.
Object.
So
Okay.
this entire thing is a JSON object. So
Okay.
in this top level JSON object, these are all the fields.
Okay.
Okay. But this
Okay.
one is another JSON object. You see the curly bracket means that's another JSON object.
Okay.
For that JSON object, they have given a name, booking dates. This booking
Okay.
dates inside, you have a again fields, check in, check out, two fields are
Check
there.
out. Yes.
So if curly braces are there means that's a JSON object.
Okay, sir.
So this array means, so see, I already
Square
told
brace.
you in the JSON explanation time. So square bracket means it's an array. A array contains many fields, right? Many
Correct, sir.
elements will be. This is the one JSON object. See here to here one JSON object and another JSON object. This is the first JSON object in this array. This is the second JSON
So
object.
if anything is between the curly braces, it is object, right?
Yeah, it is object. So the JSON object. JSON object.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
JSON object means key and value. Key value. So like that, these are the parameters now. So these are the parameters. So this is the JSON object and these are the parameters. And this is
Got
another
it.
JSON object, but this is nested JSON object, right? This JSON object inside one more JSON object. So that's what we are verifying here. So this check-in is present or not, we are verifying here. So see that what we are verifying? So new date, booking dates dot check-in. So checkout date, new date object we created, booking dates dot checkout, pm dot expect, checkout date dot get time to be above check-in date dot get time. So you are getting that. So checkout and check-in dates, and those should be above because first check-in date will be there. You will check out later, right? Always. So that's what this verification, this kind of another test case. Checkout date is after the check-in date. So the negative test case, you try to give less than the check-in date and it will throw error. So these are the positive test case we are. You can write a negative test case also. Say 6 test cases we have generated for that. Yeah, that means AI generated and I'm just using that. So these are the 6 test cases. See, one endpoint you are written 6 test cases. Like that you can write a test. First test case is they will ask what are the API test cases. So generally you write so status code verification first test case. Response body type verification, required fields are present or not, and booking dates. So generally if dates are there, date structure is valid or not, you will verify. And the dates, if there is a check-in check-out dates are there in your response body, and always check-in date is so less than check-out date. So that's what another test case we. So these are the different test cases, all are passed. So this is the Postman you will use for manual testing purpose of APIs. So these are all APIs. So these APIs, if you want to test manually, you're using a Postman. So this is all manual testing purpose. So if you want to test these API, you're using a Postman to test that. And then, so let's go to next test case, next API. So we have seen a get endpoints, right? Now create booking. So create booking. See that? This is the endpoint, create booking. See, this is the base URL and this is the endpoint. And so for this post method, I told you earlier, right? You have to give headers. You have to give a data. So data you have to give. This is the data. What is the data? These are the request body. This is the request body. So Let's copy this and we'll create another create booking. So the post method now. So till now get methods are done. So let's create a post method. So I'm just using here another request, duplicate request, but I will go and create the call command. Just copy paste that call command. So automatically it will generate. See, you can put a create booking. I can give the name, proper name, create booking. Create booking. See that? See, it generated a post, create booking. So you will understand easily. So now if you go to body, see that? This is the body you are giving. See, you can give any name here, okay? Any values. But these left side ones doesn't change. These parameters doesn't change. These are all fixed. Only values you can change. And this value, see, 2018 1 You can change this value. So, for example, I will give uh, 25 and 12 and 01, and I can give 26 131. Okay, so like this you can so generate, and this you can give additional needs. Any you need a breakfast or you need a lunch or dinner, whatever you want, you can update, you can test it. So now create it. See, you created. Now it generated. So booking ID is generating. First, manually, if you understand, it is easy to test automatically. Automation, through automation. That's a REST assured automation we are going to use. Maybe next class I'll explain that automation. First, you need to understand manually how to test these APIs. See, whatever you have given, that same name is coming or not, you need to verify. See that here you are giving a JSON response. Under that, first parameter is a booking ID. For every booking you are creating, one booking ID will generate. That's what generated booking ID. Then JSON response booking. Under that booking, you have a first name, whatever the name you are given, that should come here. Exactly these values. Whatever the data you have given, that data should come here. See, exactly the same data is coming here. That's a creation, right? If you are creating means your data should be there in the response. So that same data is there. So this is the how you can validate. Let's go and validate this. So I can take, I will ask to, there is a one more concept. Let me show you the path. For example, I want to get the path. So there is a JSON path finder will be there. JSON path finder. So you don't know how to get that path. So this for example, this check-in date format, no path you want. So that you can so generate it. How to generate? Let's see that. I'll show you that. So you paste this, you'll get a JSON path finder like this, and paste that response and see if you select this, this is the one. See, X means a JSON data. JSON data dot booking ID. So if, for example, inside this booking object, you want anything. For example, I want booking dates, check-in I want. See that? The X is a JSON data dot booking dot this booking inside this is there. So booking dates dot check-in. So like this is the path. So it will give you the complete path of any parameter, any property inside the response. So if you don't know how to get the path, you can give this. So that's what I know. I'll take help from the ChatGPT to generate a more test case. Create booking response and generate the test cases for this. Generate the test case for this Postman. response. So it will generate all, but understand, okay? So don't use chat GPTs. So either 200 or so or 201, right? So this is the 200. So you can give a 200 only, okay? So first understand what are the test cases it is generated. 8 test cases it is generated. Okay. So the booking ID we need to store dynamically because it's a dynamic ID. So that is the one we need to generate. See first status code. See, you don't know the status codes either 200 or 201. See how to verify that. pm.expect pm.response.code to be one of either 200 or 201. If you are not sure, you can do like this. If you know exactly, you can put a so pm.expect so pm.response.code to be 200. So not required like to this is the way you don't need to write. If you are not sure, any one of them you are coming, you give one of either 200 or 201. Next, response is a valid JSON object. See, pm.expect JSON data dot to be an object. So next, booking ID exists and is a number. I want to verify booking ID should be present. For every create, you will get a booking ID. That booking ID is present or not. To have a property first verified, then it should be a number. Then booking ID should be above 0 because it generates, right? Above 0 only it will generate. So that's a one test case. Validate booking object structure. So complete structure you need to validate. See, pm.expect a booking to be an object to have property first name string, last name string, and total price is a number, deposit paid is boolean, booking dates is an object. Again, validate booking dates. So we already did, right? Same way again we are doing this. Previous we did. Checking date is after check-in date. That is also fine. Additional needs fields validation. So additional needs another field is there. That field also you are validating. Then store booking ID for chaining request. So based on this booking ID, you want to modify or you want to delete and it will be useful. That's why you have to store this value in the environment variables. How to store? pm.environment.set booking ID. This booking ID you set it. So that's the how we are going to use it. So let's copy all these test cases. Okay, copy code and paste it here in this scripts tab for this create booking. So I'm just taking out all the test cases and put it. See, all the test cases are 8 test cases, all are passed now. Okay, like that, you can write the test cases. For the response body, we have to validate. That's what. So your response body you are validating. So once you get first test case is status code verification. And the second test case is verify booking ID is present and the structure, all the fields are present. And then if any dates are there, use regular expressions. Those dates are in proper format, date format or not, you can check out. Okay, so any questions here? Any questions?
So whatever we are getting in the JSON body, we are verifying that by using these test
Yes,
scripts, right?
yes. Yeah, based on the
Okay,
response only, you have to verify. So that's the
okay,
testing you are doing on the APIs.
okay, sir.
Okay, so the next one, let's go, and the next one is update booking. Update booking. You have to update it. Okay, so next update booking. So copy this. Quickly we are updating. So you can give a different thing if you want. The put method. Put method generally you have to give, see, carefully read. Update booking, you must need this cookies, authorization and cookie, you must give that. Okay, that token value you have to give that. So this is the basic authorization you have to give. That one, I'll show you that. So let's go, and so now put method, and you have to give this author, even you can give in the header also. So authorization, see authorization. So this authorization, so you have to give authorization value. Let's go here. So this is the value you have here, right? This value you have to give that. So the basic authorization header to access the put endpoint can be used as an alternative to key header. So token you can give, otherwise you can give this one also. Just give this value.
So in real time, if we are working in an organization, how can we get this authorization?
That is,
They
so
provide
here
or
you generated, right? A token. That token you will
correct, sir.
generate and give it here.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
So here your token also you already stored, right? You can get that token like this. You can give. And if you want to change what you want to update, so you are updating first one, you can update this. Any dates you want, you can update. So 12, and this the 26/01. I'm giving, that's 1 month. So I'm just giving, you can change this one to anything. Dinner. So like this. So you hit that. 403 forbidden you are getting. So this is another test case, but you can generate this one 403 forbidden. But this one, mostly let me generate this one. Next, think a basic authorization, this one. Okay. Yes. This one. Let's take this one and give it there. Yes, this, save it. Mm. This is the update booking, right? So update booking. So this one, 403, 403 forbidden. Uh, we should not get 403 forbidden. Optional, it is saying, but basic. So you have to give basic. We are given basic, right? Optional is saying, but okay, then last time how we said this? The authorization one. This one, we have given this one. And token value, whatever we generated here, we have to give.
This token equal to this value we need to
Token equal to
this value.
this value. Okay. Here you already did, right? Here.
Yeah, already saved in the environment variables.
Mm.
Then we need to parameterize that from that.
Okay. This authorization also we have to give.
Just we need to parameter it. We need to use in the environment variables. We need to set that one.
Okay, this one is token equal to the token we generated. This one and this one we have to give just value, this value. Till it is not generated. See another test case here, 403 forbidden also you can do that. Is generating here. Here also you are getting 403 forbidden. This one, okay. This is the one test case you can write. But this test case we have given exactly the same.
We should do that.
Update booking. So we have given as per their instructions, basic default value is a basic authorization header act to access the put endpoint can be used as an alternative to the cookie header. Either this one or this one we can use, but
For me also now it is showing for not I parameterize both the token and authorization.
yeah. Let's create the token again. It might be expired. Okay, let's try now. Yeah, but the token might be expired. Now it is generating. You see, you have to generate the cookie. That whatever you generated token, that token you are using. See, that is the how you can use environment variable here. Double curly bracket, the environment variable name. So you're consuming, it is stored there and you're using here. So let's have a see. It is updated to dinner and these things. So, and you can validate these values again similar way. Give this to ChatGPT. Put endpoint response data. Please write the test cases. It is validated. You can see. So take all this, just go to script tab and give all these values. See, 7 test cases you validated. So those, okay. So similar way you can develop for the last endpoint, delete endpoint. So delete and partial update is there. You can, if you want, you can do the partial update. Similar way. Partial update. So this is the partial update. Partial update is a patch one. Okay, so you can just copy paste that partial update. Partial update, and you can just go here, copy this. See, partial update means, see, basically you have many fields, right, in the response request body, but we are giving only updating these two. That's a partial update. Partial update can be done with a patch one, but is using put here, but you can use a partial update should be patch. It should not be, but let's see. So what it will be done.
If we use the put edition for $100, so we need to use a patch on it.
Patch, you have to use a patch. You have to use a patch. See, only 2 fields we are updating. So if you want to do partial update, not full. So you see here you did a full request, right? If you see full request you have given, everything you have given. But partial patch update is simple. Partial update is only whatever you want to update, you can update. So I will take these 2 values. I want these 2 values. Okay. Bulk edit, if you do, you will get a key value pair. I can copy paste here in the headers. So I'll go here, bulk edit. I can update these 2 here. Okay. So now save it. Only 2 fields I am updating. Okay. Just click on send button. See, this is the updated one. So same thing, you can run 7 test case passed. And the last one is delete booking. So you're deleting. So just copy paste this. Next one is a delete booking. So I want take this, duplicate, and change the name you change accordingly. Okay. So I'm just giving here. See, delete booking, delete. For delete method you are using. So HTTP work method, and you change this delete booking. Delete booking. Okay. Oh, 403 forbidden. Again, why? Okay, the cookies are not copied. Let me take. So I'll go to headers. Okay, go to headers and copy these 2. Authorization, and these are not copied properly. I'm just giving them. Go to bulk edit. I'll just give them. So save it and hit that. See, method not allowed. Why method not allowed? Delete only, right? C405 method not allowed. Why it is not allowing? Similar, right? You should get a success 200. Response 201 here. Why? No, this one. The 200 only. Delete booking should not get that. So
The
here
token
basic path also they are given. Basic path also header. You can give this also. This is also either cookies or this one you can give. We can try this one. Either with the cookie, this one, with a basic path, this one. But both are, we have both. Key valued it. Maybe we need to generate one more time this one. Token we need to generate. Let's go to here and method not allowed. Strange, eh? Method not allowed. This is the correct one only. We're deleting. Okay. Strange. So all this is not going to be here. Just you can so 200, okay, 200 you should get. We should not get 4 or 5 method not allowed. Okay. Generally, it should be deleted. This otherwise we can delete whatever we generated. Okay. Booking ID I will use. Oh, now booking ID is null. Why it is null? You can create. Okay, it will generate, right? Create. Now you go to delete. See, you have a 206. Let's delete it. 403 forbidden now. Again, you have to generate create also, I think. Now let's go. See, now it is deleted successfully. 201 created. So simply you remove all this one, 201. Just put a 201. So status code for deleting booking. Save it. Oh, that is not there, right? That's why. So this booking has gone, right? This is already deleted, but we should not get method not allowed. You should get a 404 because already deleted one should do. Again, first generate the token. Okay. Generate the token. Then create a booking. Then go to delete and delete it. See, now it is deleted. Okay. So this is the complete flow. Get to post to put patch delete. So this is all HTTP verb methods. So any API, these are the standards. You will have a get method to get the data, post method to create the data, put method for updating the data, patch is partial update, delete is deleting the resource. So resource means this is the resource. That resource we deleted. Okay. So practice this, and next class and evening class we will even if I get a late also I'll keep you posted. We'll take a class evening. We'll start the automation on these APIs. On these APIs, I'll show you how to automate them using REST assured framework. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Practice and come back. Okay. So you have all day. So practice that also. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Thank you.